What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1986 Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z. 54,000 original miles is what the odometer reads, I believe. It's got a tune port 305 in it. Exterior's in pretty good shape. A few flaws here and there on the paint, but it's a nice driver quality car, but it also presents itself pretty well. You see, you got the IROC graphics. This is probably one of the most iconic IROC color schemes, red with a black and silver stripe. Can't go wrong with that. Your engine bay, everything seems to be mostly original. It's got air conditioning. The car runs, drives, and stops really well. Go ahead and close the hood. Hood closes nicely. You got your hood louvers there. Let's open up the door here. Your interior is in pretty good shape. Door jambs. It was a pretty well taken care of car, whoever owned it. It's got an aftermarket Sony head unit in it. Here's the RPO codes. Figured some of you would want to see those. There's your factory air conditioning, climate controls. Ashtray. Horn work? Nope. Cloth seats in great shape. Back seats in great shape. Headliner's a little loose, but it's fixable, you know. Other than that, the interior doesn't really need anything. The dash pad doesn't even have a single crack on it. It's a pretty nice example of one of these cars. These are becoming harder and harder to find. Of course, dual chrome exhaust tips. It's a really cool car. If you had one of these back in the 80s, you were a pretty cool guy. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, where we have around 250 cars in stock. If you're interested in this Camaro, please call 847-848-1850 or visit the website mgmclassiccars.com. It says it right there on the plate. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. all by appointment only. We offer special financing for these classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this IROC-Z Camaro. I want to make sure everybody has a great day, and I want to see you guys here soon picking up some car. Any car. Could be this IROC, it could be any of the other 250 cars we have. So be sure to stop on by or visit the website. See what you like, because we got something for everyone, and if we don't, we will eventually. We get new cars in almost every day, and you are not going to want to miss a thing, so keep checking the website. And remember, this car looks great here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.